guys. I have a solution that I think can really help and benefit you all who are living in the countries where the salary... C'est vrai? Ah oui, français. Ah, français. Ah, moi,
c'est bien de raconter sa vie comme ça.
Oui, c'est bien, c'est bien. Maintenant, tu peux faire ça.
Super.
Ah oui, mais moi, je suis américain, mais je parle français.
Ah.
Ouais, mais c'est mieux si je fais ça dans l'anglais parce que plus de monde,
sûr,
ouais, plus de monde, ouais, exactement. Mais passe une très bonne vacances, hein.
Merci.
Ok, au revoir. Oh, okay. Cześć and dzień dobry. Wszystko dobrze. Hope you guys are all doing great today. Starting today, and probably if you guys have watched the vlog for a while, you know I'm a big fan of like the underground in cities. Although here in Poznan there's no shops or anything, I'm enjoying being underground because today is supposed to be incredibly hot. I believe it's going to be 38 degrees. The forecast predicts. It's about 9:30 in the morning. It is extremely hot already. I can feel the sun. I think today's gonna be more of an inside day, but yeah, I've been kind of working in this area. Very productive morning, as a matter of fact. Was able to sign up to a Polish gym, and the people were so nice. The people who are in this building, I don't remember the name of the place. Thank you so much for everything. And now, I guess heading back to this. Just as I'm walking back right now, I realize today is what I like to call, and a lot of my pro athlete friends, or my English speaking friends, because the translation is not the same in French and Germany and all the places that I played at, but we call it today is the dog days. It's like the dog days. It's the days that you just like, you do a lot of work. You do a lot of work, but it's all, no one sees it. You know, for example, in basketball, the dog days are the days when we're doing a lot of core exercises, agility, we're doing sprints, we're doing all the things about basketball. So you think like, we should have a basketball, we should be doing something that has something to show for what we've done, but it's not having something to show for what you've done. The dog days are allowing you and preparing you to do what it is that you do so well, but no one sees it, and you usually don't get credit for it. But yeah, today is one of those kind of those dog days. So when it comes to with you guys right now, the dog days is it's sitting down for maybe an hour, 2 hours a day, responding to you guys' emails, trying to get back to your comments, heading to the gym, doing a lot of things that people don't see, and there's no credit being given for it, but it's very important, and it makes what this is and who you are possible. Oh, and by the way, when you guys come to Poland, you're gonna see this everywhere. Zabka. It means frog. And that's probably one of the first words you'll learn, because that store Zabka is everywhere. You can't walk around Poland for more than 5 or 10 minutes. Oh no. For more than 5 or 10 minutes without seeing one of those stores. Zabka. It means frog. Polish lesson of the day. I'm actually gonna head to start one of those dog days off by getting a good workout in, but before I can get a workout in and do anything, I need something. Nice little fruit market. Just if you guys do come here, watch your head. If you guys are coming here and you're vlogging, don't get decapitated by all these low-hanging things up here. Whew. Okay. Okay, so it is like 4 hours later. It is super hot outside. Having pierogi again, it's like handmade pierogi, which is pretty awesome. And I'm right by the air conditioner, which is needed because it is extremely hot. I was able to get a little bit of work accomplished. Got a great workout in though here. The people are super nice. I know I say that all the time, but the people actually were really nice. I didn't even have enough. I went to the gym the second time to go work out, and I only brought two zloty with me, and then the water was 3 zloty, and they even gave me one so I could get it. And I got to bring it back to them later, but they gave it to me. So it's true when I say people are nice. But now taking a quick little break, having something to eat, cool off a little bit. Then gonna head and try to. Sitting up here, I'm sure you guys know where I am. I don't even know the name of this place. And I'm just sitting here going through a lot of messages, and I thought I was gonna go through my emails and answer like the questions here. But it made me think that I think in the vlogs, I'm gonna start doing questions and answers in the vlog. So I'll take questions from this video and I'll start adding them into a Q&A in the middle of the vlogs, like just in between, at any random time basically. But you know, I just thought I'd answer the one question that I'm getting so much as I'm looking through the comments, not even from emails. I'm just looking through the comments and from on Instagram, and people are like, should I come and visit Poland? Should I come and visit Poznan? You guys should definitely come here, not even for the fact that it's Poznan, not even for the fact that it's Poland. You guys should come here just because you haven't been here. You haven't been here, and maybe you came here and had an experience, but come back for another experience. You know, people always ask me like, how do I decide where to go, when to go places? Like it's kind of like, I don't want to say it's instinct, but it's just like if someone says like, oh, this place is bad, you shouldn't go. That's like, well, I'm gonna go there and try to have a good experience. You know, or if I've never been there, it's like, okay, I'm gonna go there. You know, I used to be a big motorcycle rider, and you know, I met up with this motorcycle group one time. We all had the same motorcycles, and one of the guys in the group, he must have been 60 years old, something like that. And one of the quotes that he had on his profile when we had this meetup, he said that the goal is to ride. The destination's only the excuse. And I think when it comes to traveling, you know, for me, of course, Poland I talk about all the time, and I probably will talk about it until the last day I'm here on this earth. But you know, it's one of those places where I fell in love with by coming here. And I knew nothing about it. I didn't know anything about Poland. I didn't know anything about anything. I just happened to meet some people. But I met people on an island of Mallorca. If you've watched that video before, you'll know. And I went to that island because I was curious, and I'd never been to that island. And I went out that night and met some people who took me to the other side of the island where I eventually met the Polish people. And all that was just based off of curiosity, because I hadn't done it before. I hadn't been there before. Didn't know how I was getting back to the other side of that island. But I was able to go there, and that opened up a lot of doors. And you never know when you're traveling where you might go, where all of a sudden you meet the person that changes your life. You develop those friendships, those relationships, or whatever have you. And I think that is something that's so important. And if you need a reason to come to Poznan, Poland, come here just because. Just because. Okay, so it is literally maybe 3-4 hours later. Super productive day. Was able to respond to so many of you guys' emails, and you guys have convinced me to do something. I don't know what day I'm going to be able to film this video, but I have a special video coming out, and this video it's going to be something I talk about every single day, and I tell so many people, but I hope that it will help you guys out, to give you guys a hint about it. It's to help the people that are saying, you know, in my country we don't make that much money, and I have a solution for you guys. I have a solution that I think can really help and benefit you all who are living in the countries where the salary... C'est vrai? Ah oui, français. Ah, français. Ah, Moi,
C'est bien de raconter sa vie comme ça. hein.
Oui, c'est bien, c'est bien.
Ouais,
Maintenant,
ouais,
tu
c'est
peux faire ça.
Super.
Ah oui, mais moi, je suis américain. Mais je parle français.
Ah.
Ouais. One benefit I've learned about French is that when I'm traveling, everyone seems to speak English except the French. So I'm glad that I that I speak French. This is what I was trying to say. Is one thing I hope will benefit you guys. For all of you guys who are living in countries where the salary is not that high, I've got a lot of, my heart goes out to a lot of people. There's been some people who have left comments and told me in a rude way, like, we don't make that much money here in Bulgaria, for example. And there's been other people who have wrote me in a real sincere way, like, we don't know how we can make more money. Do you have any ideas? So I feel like I did respond to you guys, by the way, but I'm going to go maybe a step further, which can benefit more of you guys if I just instead make a video and put it on the channel. And then I put that out here for all of you guys to see. If you have an idea of what I could title that video to help you guys out, that would be great. But if not, I'll think of something. But on that note, I'm kind of here right now. Sun is kind of setting, finished workouts. Been a very productive day. Actually, we'll spin to the park. It's more quiet than here. And one of the beauties of Poznan, here in one of the parks. This is where I ended the vlog the other day on the Lime scooter. One of the benefits walking through here in the parks is so calm, relaxing. And just want to say a big thank you to you guys once again. The love, the attention, all the kind of stuff, everything. I can't even thank you guys enough. It's so humbling, and you guys who've messaged me and wrote me on Instagram and emailed and messages on Facebook, which I totally forget about Facebook. And there's so many, I can't thank you guys enough. And I hope that even on days like this when it's really kind of boring, and I know when I'm sitting there editing, I'm like, Luke, you didn't film anything. You got to film more of where you're walking, let them see some things, not just your face the entire time. But it's just like that sometimes. But I want to thank you guys, you all who stick around here, because you're still here at the end of the vlog, and just thank you guys. It just means a lot to me, and I appreciate it. And I will always try to help you guys out the best I can. But on that note, I need to help myself out. I'm gonna go chill, relax, enjoy the rest of the evening. I'll talk to you tomorrow. And please remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile.